In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Copilot to generate and refine content in Microsoft 365. First, let's open Copilot. In your document window, look for the Copilot icon in the left margin. If you don't see it there, check the Home tab, where it also appears. Click it to open the Copilot pane. This is your workspace for giving instructions and seeing results without leaving your document. Now, it's time to craft your prompt. In the prompt box, describe exactly what you need. Being specific makes a huge difference. Think about the purpose and who the audience is, the tone you want, any length or format you prefer, and any key points that must be included. The clearer your direction, the closer the draft will be to what you're after, and the less revising you'll need later. If you're not sure how to phrase things, here are some great starting points you can type as is or adapt. For example, write an outline for a marketing proposal for a new app. Or draft a thank you letter to a client after our meeting. You can also try generate ideas for a blog post about sustainable travel. Use these as templates and layer on details like the tone, the audience, or deadlines to make them truly yours. When you're ready, hit the send icon, which looks like a paper airplane. Copilot will generate a draft and insert it into your document. You'll typically see it highlighted in light blue, so it's easy to spot and review. Take a moment to read through what it produced and compare it to your original intent. From here, you have options. If it's exactly what you need, choose keep it. If it's off base or you want a fresh angle, select Regenerate. If it isn't useful, you can discard it. To refine the draft, simply type a follow-up in the prompt box. For example, say, make this more formal if you need a professional tone. Ask, add a bulleted list to break up dense text, or direct Copilot to use data from the attached PDF to weave in specifics you've already provided. You can continue iterating like this, tweaking tone, structure, and detail until the content feels right. That's it. Open Copilot, craft a clear prompt, generate the draft, and then review and refine until it matches your goals. With a bit of specificity and a few follow-ups, you'll turn a rough idea into polished content quickly and confidently.